Nurse na sa'yo. 5? Sab. Pass ball.
Maraming points.
Roy.
Number 8, warning for graduate.
Boss Roy, shoutout sa'yo. Stephen I.
Number 8, apat ka na.
Wendy Ignacio, shoutout. Merida. Ganda na pasa. Ay, di lang yung pasa. Awe.
Time out, compadre.
Coach, ilang time out na lang nila? Dalawa? Nag-time out sila third quarter, pati fourth quarter. Dalawa na lang.
Third quarter, fourth quarter. Saan na lang? Third quarter, fourth quarter time out nila.
Yung third quarter pa yung time out ko sila.
Tapos ngayon, fourth quarter. Saan na lang? Pag hindi sila nag-time out ng third quarter, pwede yun, carry over.
Ito.
Kunyari, okay, tama. Tama ba yun? Tama? Carry over. Ganda! Yes, boss, sayang naman yun. Ganda naman yun. Ganda. Ang ganda naman nun. Hindi lang pumasok. Sampu lamang ang compadres. Last 5 minutes. fourth quarter. Next game natin.
Team to shoot.
Hope Bowlers
Number
versus
29. Pass to number 8.
Brother.
Basket.
Jose Lamang.
Score. 65-53. Lamang ng Dosa. Number 9. Reyes. Matake. Wala. Rebound to number 9. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 9. Basket. Number 37. Basket. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Number 8. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 9. Pagpalit lang ng jersey. 5 to shoot. Number 3. Pass to number 9. 4. Number 37. Pass to number 9. Reyes. Atake. Foul. Foul number 9. Number 9 jersey na terminal. Quarter for penalty.
Kaya nagpasa nila.
Ten to shoot. Number 8. Wala. Even number 37. Number 37. Number 3. Number 37. Pass number 0. Wala. Bola. Pass number 8. Sunay. Number 8. Number 8. Pass number 3. Pass number 29. Basket. Second transition. Number 37. Pass number 0. 15 to shoot. Number 37. Wala. Even number 29. Number 29. Pass to numbers 0 na kanina. Number 29. Basket. Highlight. Antigo. Score. 71-56.
Antigo. Tapos, no.
Back to the ball game. Number 9. Tumira yung press. Wala. Rebound ni number 8. Save ball. Remaining time. 2 minutes and 50 seconds ng fourth quarter. Number 9. Pass to number 37. Pass to number 5. Tumira. Wala. Even number 9 kanina. Pass number 08. Pass number 29. Number 29. Wala. Wala sa bola. Number 5. Pass number 9. Number 9. Matari. Foul. Is foul penalty. Number 20. For personal foul. Warning for Bradley. Basket again. Number 8. Pass to number 9 kanina. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 8. Basket. Score. 73-58. Last 2 minutes. Number 9. Basket. Number 8. Pass to number 28, Mira, Jack. Rebound number 0, rebound to number 28. Pass to number 9, pass to number 8. Steal number 9. Number 9, atake. Wala. Rebound to number 3. Number 8, pass to number 28, pass to number 9. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot, number 28. Wala. Rebound to number 9, rebound to number 8, pass to number 28. Wala pa rin. Rebound to number 29, wala pa rin. Rebound to number 37. Nagpapadali. Number 37. Basket. Score. 7-3-62. 11-point lead. Last. 58 seconds. Number 28. Pass number 29. 29 atake, wala. Rebound to number 19 na. Pass number 28. Oy, pinali. Pass to sa kalaban. Number 37. Wala.
Wala lamang ng compadre.
Wala.
Foul.
Foul.
Isa pa, basket.
Foul number 5. Second personal foul. Warning or penalty. Pinasa sa labas. 36 seconds.
Marie Alfonso, shout out.
Number 9.
Maria.
Pass number 5. Wala. Alam na kung sino ang manalo.
Matic, best player,
Matic.
manager.
Best player of the game. Number 8. Na Padre. Number 15. Pass number 5. Basket. 5 seconds.
Okay.
Game on. Best player of the game. Number 8. Na Padre. Next game. South Colors versus Defense.
Picture. Tapos dito. Next game, Hoop Ballers versus Lobels.
Two minutes warm up.
It's the warm up, 2 minutes.